How to log out of all devices on Facebook. Hello and welcome to my channel, and in this video I will tell you how easy it is to get out of your account everywhere in the application Facebook. Everything is very simple, you just need to follow me step by step to avoid any mistakes. First, go to the Facebook app and click on the menu option on the home screen in the bottom right corner. Then select and click on the gear option in the upper right corner, and you will be switched to the settings option. Then simply select and click on the see more in account center option. Now when we are in this option, scroll down the screen and select the password and security option by clicking on it. In this section we can see where you are logged in. Click on it and click on your account. You will see the devices from which you have accessed this account. And now all you need to do is scroll down the screen and at the very bottom press the red color option. Select devices to log out. Now just choose select all and log out. And on that all. I hope you had it useful. Thank you for watching.